Okay, people, 940 infrared. What do y'all think of this? Need a little help? Get where you're at, turn your lights on, and you can see. Turn them off, bam, watch the screen. Now, I don't have much of a road to drive on anyway, so I'm trying to watch that pretty close. I'll get on one here in a second. I did this. I didn't buy the whole wiring kit. I just pretty much got it, got the lights and doing it myself. There's a little bit of a road, and you do have some adjustments and get it all set. But I'm driving 100% in the dark on a pretty rough road. Pretty cool lights, huh? Outside, dark. I can share what you need. Comment, questions. But hog hunting's a blast now. Coyotes, they don't see you. The focus is a lot better on my screen. The phone's not doing the best, but y'all like it? I love it. All I got outside is the moon. Hit the lights. There you are. What do you think, guys? I like it. Lights on, lights off. Back to the screen. Anyway, thank you all for watching.